Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you amazingly delicious, eggy, cheesy potato breakfast with fresh basil only in 10 minutes, guys. So if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. Or if you're already a subscriber, then you already know we are gonna get it started. For this beautiful recipe, we are gonna need olive oil, in total 2 tablespoons, 2 pieces of egg, approximately 50 grams of cheese, 2 pieces of potato. Then we are gonna need our most beloved spices. So for the spices, guys, we are gonna use dried vegetables, little bit of salt, little bit of black pepper, and little bit of red sweet pepper. Then last ingredient, as you see empty tray, we are gonna bring our fresh basil from our balcony. So let's go to the balcony. We try to grow our greens in our balcony, so this is the fresh basil. We are gonna need a little bit of it. So they're gonna grow again, so don't worry about that. I think this is enough for us. So we've prepared our ingredients. I have used strainer for potatoes and for the cheese. So first thing we do here is we want the water of potato to go out. So what we do is we squeeze, you see, and then you put them in a bowl. Squeeze as much as you can. So this is the water of the potatoes. It should come out, otherwise it will not be perfect as it's supposed to be. That we are gonna use our cheese here. We've used strainer for the cheese too. Then make sure you mix them well. When you see that they are mixed equally, then it's time for the egg. So we have 2 eggs. 1, then 2. Then it's time for the spices. What we do, we just use our finger to mix it. And we spread on our potatoes, cheese, and eggs. Here we have to mix them well too. So just make sure that you mix them. That's the point here. That's it. Cook. So we open the fire on the medium level. It shouldn't be much high. This is enough. Then we are gonna add olive oil, 2 tablespoons. So 1 and then 2. Right after you add your olive oil, make sure you cover all of the pan with the oil. Do not leave any empty place. And also make sure the sides also have the oil. Okay. Do not wait until the oil is hot. It's important that the oil is still cold. Then we add all of our mix in the bowl. The point we are doing here when the oil is cold, because we want to set our mix equally in a round shape. Just you can make sure you've done it. Also make sure to equalize the sides in a round shape. Just keep fixing the sides. So I just flipped once. After you flip, just make sure you press on them and make sure that it touches the pan, because it's cheesy. And also, in order to make sure that it will not stick, just make sure that you fix the sides like this. That's it. It's ready, so we are gonna close the fire. Then we gently take the pan and then we are gonna place it here. Then the best part comes now. So now it's time for the fresh basil. So now I'm gonna give you the tip of this perfect breakfast. So I've got here olives. I have here extra virgin olive oil. I spread a little bit of olive oil on top of them. The key part to this is squeezing fresh lemon, a little bit of lemon here. And bon appetit, guys. You can even take fresh bread and eat with olive oil and olives. There you go, guys. Guys, bon appetit, and voila. Thank you for watching us, guys. If your videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel, or if you're already a subscriber, give us some love in the comments, guys. Wishing you all to have a nice and sweet day. Goodbye.